no matter where you go in the world. No matter the city or state, province or territory, neighborhood or hamlet, it's a guarantee you will find someone who loves the game of basketball. The proof is loud and clear. Basketball is the fastest growing sport in the world. For players and fans alike, the game has created a unique bond, a community, our community. And for this special weekend, our global basketball family gathers here in the heartland of America, the shining city of Indianapolis, in the great state of Indiana. This one spot on Earth is responsible for so much of basketball's history and tradition. And of course, this city is home to the Indiana Pacers, one of the most distinguished franchises in the NBA, one that for decades has helped to make this great league sparkle like no other. So it is fitting that for this weekend, it serves as the perfect host for our annual community gathering. NBA All-Star Weekend.
This is the place to be for basketball. Oh, yeah!
NBA All-Star Weekend is a basketball extravaganza.
This is unreal.
What an exciting event in our community.
A sensational and thrilling celebration of the game.
Oh, wow! Amazing!
I love this game. That's what it's really all about right there.
But this weekend is about more than just the action.
Unbelievable! Putting on a show.
This weekend is about making moments and memories.
Whoa! Fiery Bird! It's the buzzer with the two-point ball.
It's a time when we bear witness to unbelievable displays of skill, performed by athletes who inspire the next generation of superstars.
Halliburton tries another three. Bang! Tyrese Halliburton from downtown.
And of course, we look on with amazement
Julius Erving on his approach pass for the takeoff. Oh my goodness, did you see that jam?
our eyes wide open and our jaws on the floor.
Superman is in the building. Yes, he is.
I don't believe what I just saw. I saw man fly.
As we observe physical feats that defy logic, reason, and gravity.
Look at the air. Look at the hang time. Look at the flying motion. That is Air Jordan at his best.
Between the legs. Are you kidding me? That's sick. That is sick. He's got the flu. He's sick.
It's a weekend full of events that showcase the game, captivate our imagination, and create memories that last forever.
Man, is it fun to watch.
Simply put, it is amazing.
Here's Obi Toppin. Look out.
It's over, ladies and gentlemen. Just when you think you've seen it all. Wow.
There's no doubt NBA All-Star Weekend is a perfect 10. And to end this magnificent event, the 2024 NBA All-Star Game. On this special night, in a classic matchup of East versus West,
NBA entertainment at its best.
the best basketball players in the world assemble on one stage
You're on the biggest stage, the All-Star stage.
to do what NBA players love to do most: compete.
What time is it?
This is the time to shine. This is the time to marvel. This is the time to celebrate our game and each other.
Hey, this is Tyrese Halliburton. We'd like to thank all of you, the fans, for coming to our great city of Indianapolis this weekend. And of course, thank you to the Pacers organization for hosting this amazing event. But the main event still awaits. The NBA All-Star Game is tomorrow night. Hope you all have a lot of fun celebrating the greatest game in the world.